Good morning, this is Kelly Borsheim, or afternoon, or evening. So this is the bas-relief disc that I have been restoring, and I'm to the point now that I just got done resanding some of these surfaces here to try to, again, make things a little bit smoother and consistent. And anyway, I know that the patina, the final coloring on this, is going to take many steps. Now you'll see here that I did red, a reddish brown. This is actually Van Dyke brown. But I had mixed it with a bronze, metallic bronze. This is the original patina here. This is the original patina here. This is more of a red gold than the bronze. The bronze I have is green, but it was good because it offset a lot of the red here. So the thing is, I know that this is going to take a lot of steps. My temptation, of course, is to paint the entire thing over a solid color and then come in and do the ideas. Like, do you see here how it gets dark? On this rim, do you see how the original stuff, it was darker here, and a little bit up the sides too, because they were trying to give some dimensions to it. You can see also here, closer there, it's a little bit darker. Okay, so I want to follow those things, and then you'll see on the part where it's drying here, it looks blue in the video as I'm taking it, but it's actually kind of a pasty white. I have washed this assuming it was plaster dust, but it's not. It's part of the patina, and I don't actually know how I'm going to get that effect, but I'm going to try for it because, like here in this corner, I had to fill in a hole that was there, and I covered it with just the bronze paint. So, oh, I wanted to explain why I have red here. It's because the other part of this restoration is physically in the building of the community center. I had to take off the old paint of the letters of the names of the soldiers who survived World War I, and they came back home and then they started the community center. So that's what this plaque is all about. They have a different one for the people who actually were died in the war. But I was moving two colors, and so one night I wanted to get another layer in here to fill in some of these fine cracks and things. So I used the color that I had. I had taken the bronze in with raw umber to do the other thing. So I didn't have it with me, but I wanted to keep moving ahead. So you can see I'm going to fill in a little bit more of this. But I do think I want to start on this stuff, using more metallic in the mixture with the Van Dyke brown for the highlights, because you see that as you go away it gets darker, and that way maybe I can sort of start the effect as I'm going along. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to go to recharge my battery. Please leave your comments and questions below. I would appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube and go to my site borsheimarts.com, and you can see my finished artworks that I've done myself. Okay, this is from World War I survivors. I don't know when it was made. Here's the mark of the artist, the original artist.